natural health for beginners.
How to make pomegranate oil. Unlock the secrets of creating your very own pomegranate oil at home. In this step-by-step guide, we'll walk you through the entire process, from selecting the perfect pomegranates to extracting the nutrient-rich oil. Pomegranate oil is celebrated for its numerous health benefits, including its antioxidant properties, ability to rejuvenate skin, and promote healthy hair. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast, a skincare lover, or just curious, this video will give you all the insights you need. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more natural remedies and DIY beauty tips. Stick around, and by the end of this video, you'll have your very own bottle of homemade pomegranate oil. Key steps covered in the video: choosing the right pomegranates. Look for fresh, ripe pomegranates with vibrant red color. Ensure they are heavy for their size, indicating juicy seeds. Extracting the seeds. Cut the pomegranate in half and gently remove the seeds. Collect the seeds in a bowl, making sure to avoid the white pith. Drying the seeds. Spread the seeds on a clean cloth or paper towel. Leave them to dry in a warm, well-ventilated area for several days or use a dehydrator to speed up the process. Crushing the seeds. Once dried, crush the seeds using a mortar and pestle or a blender. Aim to break the seeds down to release the oil without pulverizing them completely. Infusion or cold pressing. Infusion method. Combine the crushed seeds with a carrier oil, like olive or jojoba oil, and let it infuse for 2 to 3 weeks in a dark, cool place. Strain the mixture to extract the oil. Cold pressing. If you have the equipment, you can cold press the seeds to extract pure pomegranate oil. Filtering the oil. Use a fine mesh strainer or cheesecloth to filter the oil, removing any leftover seed particles. Storing the pomegranate oil. Transfer the oil into a dark glass bottle to protect it from light and extend its shelf life. Store it in a cool, dark place and use it within 6 months for the best results. Pro tip: pomegranate oil can be mixed with other essential oils like lavender or tea tree oil for added benefits. Skincare recipe: after making your oil, try adding a few drops to your daily moisturizer or creating a DIY face serum. Hair care: apply the oil directly to your scalp and hair as a nourishing treatment for shine and strength. Thank you for watching. Now that you've made your own pomegranate oil, let us know how you plan to use it in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with friends who love natural beauty hacks. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more DIY tutorials and health tips. See you in the next video.